Welcome back. Are you hungry to learn? Have a bite with countable nouns. Do you use any social media sites? How many social media sites do you use?
I use many social media sites. I use a lot of social media sites. I use some social media sites. I use a few social media sites. I do not use any social media sites.
How many sites? Have you uploaded any videos to YouTube? How many videos have you uploaded to YouTube?
I have uploaded many videos. I have uploaded a lot of videos. I have uploaded some videos. I have uploaded a few videos. I have not uploaded any videos.
How many videos? Did you post any pictures on Instagram last month? How many pictures did you post on Instagram last month?
I posted many pictures. I posted a lot of pictures. I posted some pictures. I posted a few pictures. I did not post any pictures.
How many pictures? What did you notice about any? What did you notice about how many? What did you notice about many and a lot of? What did you notice about some and a few? What did you notice about not any? Did you notice? For questions, we use any plus plural noun and how many plus plural noun. For statements, we use many plus plural noun or a lot of plus plural noun, some plus plural noun, or a few plus plural noun, and not any plus plural noun. These words are all used with countable nouns. Have fun and see you soon!